How are you supposed to grow $1,000 with Ally Bank when the real opportunity isn't just where you put the money, but what you do next? I've used Ally for years. When you're looking at a small amount, like $1,000, your focus has to be on safety and maximizing interest, not high-risk investing. That means you've got three main, straight-to-the-point options with Ally, and I'll walk you through which one is best based on your goal. Option 1, the Ally Online Savings Account. This is the most flexible choice. It's what Ally is known for, a high-yield savings account, or HYSA. The experience, I started here. It's a $0 minimum deposit, $0 monthly fee account that currently offers a very competitive annual percentage yield, or APY, compared to most big banks. My money earns interest daily and I can pull it out whenever I want without penalty. The growth factor for $1,000, it's a safe, liquid place to park the money and let compounding interest do its work. But let's be real, with $1,000, the interest won't make you rich overnight. The real value is the buckets feature. It lets you digitally divide that $1,000 into different savings goals, which is a great habit builder. Bottom line, this is your best move if you might need that $1,000 in the short term, say within the next year. Option 2, Ally Certificates of Deposit, CDs. If you know you won't need the $1,000 for a set period, a CD locks your money up for a higher, fixed interest rate. The experience, Ally offers different CD types, and I've used them to save for things like a down payment years ago. For a small initial amount, the best fit is likely the no-penalty CD. It has an 11-month term and pays a good APY. But here's the key feature, you can withdraw all your money and interest without penalty anytime after the first 6 days of funding. The growth factor for $1,000, the fixed rate is usually slightly better than the regular savings account. But the biggest benefit is the discipline it forces. You see that maturity date, and you are less tempted to touch the principal. Bottom line, this is your move if you can commit to leaving the $1,000 alone for almost a year and want a slightly better guaranteed rate. Option 3, Ally Invest Self-Directed Trading. This is the risky but high-potential path, and it's where you can actually grow $1,000 significantly. The experience, I use Ally Invest for long-term investments. They offer commission-free trading on U.S. stocks and ETFs, and a $0 account minimum, which is great for starting small. With just $1,000, you are limited, so the straightest path is to put all of it into a low-cost, diversified exchange-traded fund, or ETF. Think an ETF that tracks the S&P 500. The growth factor for $1,000, this is the stock market, so there's volatility. You could lose some, but over several years, this option offers the best potential for real, significant growth. You have to commit to not checking it every day and letting the market do its thing. Bottom line, this is your move if you can afford to leave the $1,000 alone for 5 years or more and are comfortable with market risk. My verdict, the best way to grow $1,000. Honestly, with only $1,000, the best Ally product is the online savings account. It protects your principal, it earns a good interest rate that compounds daily, and most importantly, it gives you immediate, penalty-free access. The real way to grow that $1,000 is to keep funding that account every month. Use the buckets feature, set up recurring transfers, and let Ally's system help you build the habit of saving. The first $1,000 is just the seed, consistency is the fertilizer. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.